to the stage, sir. Setting that fuses together two of my areas of passion, aesthetics and design. Hence, joining Fabience and becoming an integral part of the design. Mr. T.R. Venugopal has over 35 years of enriched experience in the contracting and knowledge of wood and its allied products. He has been a pioneer in the turnkey sector and has subsequently handled prestigious interior projects like Amazon, Qualcomm and IBM, to name a few. Residential sector. With his expertise and zeal, he took up the challenge to fill the gap, and this led him to establish Fabience. Currently, he heads finance, design and the business development sectors. Moving on, I would now like to introduce to you the Director of Post-Production of Operations, Mr. Sandeep Polsani. Sandeep has completed his Masters in Public Administration in the US. At Fabience, he is mainly responsible for the coordination in ensuring a smooth flow of on-site installations as well as for the final quality check of the projects. Further to this, I would now like to introduce you our Director of Production, Mr. Karan Rajgopal. Karan has pursued his undergraduation in mechanical engineering at Michigan State University, US, post which he has gained ample work experience in the mechanical engineering field. His role at Fabience is to primarily ensure timely production and delivery of projects, as well as to enable efficient and smooth communication amongst all departments in the unit. Now I would like to present an AV on our upcoming manufacturing facility at Medical Devices Park, Sultanpur, Telangana. Thank you so much for your time.
Great sense of the exceptional and finest raw materials that are being used. Some customers that are highly passionate and intrusive, we encourage them to be present at the factory when the products are being made. This happens to be one of the first furniture-based companies to use this kind of a method to interact with the clients. We also employ state-of-the-art software for design, renders, costing, and the entire production. Furthermore, numerous college students and recent graduates from various majors have visited our manufacturing facility to gain extensive knowledge on the know-how of the operations. I'd like to conclude by saying that at Fabience, we believe that educating the customers is as important as selling the product. To sum this up, we are not just fulfilling their home requirements, but also selling them an experience. This, along with exceptional service and quality.
Start off by saying that our company ethos is based primarily on customer satisfaction and making it a top priority to meet their needs post installation process as well. So you have heard about the production processes by our director, Mr. Karan. I would like to walk you through the know-how of the post-production operations. Firstly, our designated team inspects the site and makes sure the site is as per our installation drawings and meeting the requirements. Post this, we make sure the installation process is as seamless as possible. And this includes creating a dust-free and a noise-free environment on site. During installation, the project progress and day-to-day updates are communicated effectively with our clients. We at Fabience truly believe in the process and ensuring that nothing less than perfection is delivered to our clients. Now I would request our MD, Mr. T.R. Venugopal, to address.
Being in the field of home and office interior design and contracting had a very humble beginning over 30 years ago. With a vision to make it radically easier for people to settle into their homes by designing innovative modular furniture solutions, right from shopping to shipping. The idea of making a physical product brand is appealing to me, and this had led me to structurize and establish Fabience to provide convenient and aesthetically pleasing product to customers. Starting with window coverings and other interior products, my desire was always to give the best to my customers with exceptional buying experience. Our association with very discerning customers in the public sector and multinational companies taught us the value of systems and organized structure. This enabled us to believe and deliver on time. The fit and finish, besides great design and top-notch materials and hardware. Over a period, we were known in the corporate world for our commitment, be it the quality of materials, system, design software, or safety. So much so that we were invited to execute some of the largest and prestigious offices in various sectors in the office in Hyderabad and other parts of India. My team to deliver the best, we built a great experience center, and the design and execution teams were vigorously and meticulously trained to deliver the best experience to our discerning clients. Word got around and spread like wildfire. Our clients, mostly high net worth
facility, and what is your existing capacity right now?
in terms of
How many units can you manufacture, or
we would put this
running
way.
quota, whatever? I don't know how you calculate.
We would put this way. As of now, in the present factory, we cut about 60 sheets per shift. 60 plywood sheets. I'm sure everyone knows about plywood sheet. We cut about 60 sheets per shift as of now. In the new facility, it will be about 500 boards, 500 sheets per shift.
Yeah, Fabience was founded in 2019 to bridge the gap in the residential sector. Interior services providers chala takku mandi unde sarki. We've noticed a very obvious gap. So that's when we've established Fabience to cater to the needs of residential sectors. And while it was doing well, we realized that the demand was getting higher and higher, and our production capacity wasn't enough. Right now, we have a 22,000 SFT unit at Gandimai Sama, but still it wasn't enough. That's when we realized we need to upgrade the facility, and we are now coming up with a 150,000 SFT unit at Medical Devices Park, Sultanpur, Hyderabad.
Started about 3 years ago, and as Richi Rajgopal was talking about, the word of mouth is spread like wildfire, and we are not in a position to meet the production demands or the order. Hence, we decided to go for an expansion, and we got in touch with TSISC, and they were spontaneously allotted about 4 acres land. And without wasting any time, we designed, we planned, and it's now being construction. The plant will be one of the largest in Asia outside China. If you see in terms of technology and missions, we are the best in Asia today. And the capacities will be very high in terms of production, maybe about 8 times bigger than what we are doing today. Apart from what we are handling today, which are high net worth individuals, we are also planning to give some products for an apartment which is about 30-35 lakh rupees, wherein people are getting cheated by on-site works. Indeed, they are paying more money than what's supposed to. So we are now looking for those kind of packages for maybe 5 lakh rupees, 6 lakh rupees, an apartment furniture which includes a kitchen cabinet, 3 or 4 wardrobes, and TV units. So this is our dream to do that. So that will be a major business for us in coming years.
So ప్రస్తుతానికి Fabience.
హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, నా పేరు కరణ్ రాజ్గోపాల్. నేను ఫ్యాబియన్స్లో వన్ ఆఫ్ ద డైరెక్టర్స్ని. నేను ప్రొడక్షన్ని చూసుకుంటాను. బేసిక్లీ మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ అంతా అవుతుంది కదా, సో ఐఎమ్ ద డైరెక్టర్. సో ఫ్యాబియన్స్ అనేది 3 years బ్యాక్ స్టార్ట్ చేసాము బై మై ఫాదర్ టిఆర్ వేణుగోపాల్ గారు. మన మెయిన్ మోటివ్ ఏంటంటే టు ప్రొడ్యూస్ అ గుడ్ ప్రోడక్ట్ లోకలీ. సో మనం ఫర్నిచర్ అంటే చాలామంది వింటూ ఉంటారు, చైనాకి ఇటలీకి వెళ్తూ ఉంటారు కదా. మా గోల్ ఏంటంటే వెన్ వీ కెన్ మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చర్ విత్ ద సేమ్ మెషినరీ అండ్ బెటర్ రా మెటీరియల్స్తో మనం ఇక్కడే మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చర్ చేస్తే అందరికీ వీ కెన్ కేటర్ అనేది ద హోల్ గోల్ ఆఫ్ స్టార్టింగ్ ఫ్యాబియన్స్. అండ్ ఆన్ టాప్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ మన మెయిన్ మోటివ్ ఏంటంటే క్వాలిటీ మెటీరియల్స్తో యూజ్ చేసి టు టెస్ట్ అవుట్ ఎవ్రీ ప్రోడక్ట్ దట్ ఈస్ బీయింగ్ మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చర్, సో దట్ అంతా కూడా సీమ్లెస్గా జరగాలి. ఫ్యాబియన్స్ మెయిన్ గోల్.
ఈ మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ ప్లాన్ ద్వారా ఎంతమందికి ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ జనరేషన్?
సో కరెంట్లీ మేము 130 పీపుల్కి ఇచ్చినాం ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్. ఫ్యూచర్లో వీఆర్ ఎస్టిమేటింగ్ అబౌట్ అరౌండ్ 300 people ఆన్ ద హోల్. కొత్త ఫ్యాక్టరీ విచ్ ఇస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి స్టార్టింగ్ ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇయర్లో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది.
My name is Sandeep Polsani andi. I'm director at Fabience. I'm heading the post-production operations. So coming to the expansion plans, we're multiplying our current facility by almost, we could say, 4 to 5 times. The current one is approximately 20,000 square feet. Now the new one is pretty huge to cater larger volumes of kitchens, wardrobes, what we're going to manufacture, and export is also on our mind. And majorly, we are developing our paint line. That's our major forte, where we've got this state-of-the-art painting line machinery. And then coming to the market is really good. And as per the stats, from 2023 to 2028, it's going to be from $23 billion to $32.5 billion by the end of 2028. So that's the market trend. Hyderabad market చాలా బాగుందండి ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ with a lot of projects that are coming up, all these luxury segments and mediocre segments ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో చాలా బాగుంది ఇప్పటికైతే. For next 10 years, I think the market is going to be really good for whoever is in modular. It's going to be really good for